You know, most students think a cover letter is just a formality, something you submit because the job portal won't let you move to the next step without uploading one. But here's the part nobody tells you. Recruiters don't reject your cover letter because you wrote it badly. They reject it because the letter has nothing real inside it. No story, no proof, nothing that makes them stop and think, okay, this person actually did something. And it is not your fault. When you are just starting out, what do you even write? I am a fast learner. I am passionate about this field. I work well in teams. Every student writes the same things. So everything starts sounding copy pasted. Now, here is the twist. You do not need 10 internships or fancy certificates to make your cover letter strong. You only need a few real experiences that show you have tried something, solved something, built something, or even small tasks can become solid evidence if you know how to use them. So before we get into the actual steps, let me tell you what this video is trying to do. Big companies care about cover letters because they want to see one thing: evidence. They want to know if you have done anything that shows effort, curiosity, or interest in the role. And this is where most students get stuck. You know you need a good cover letter, but nobody tells you how to actually create the content for it. So the mission of this video is simple. I want to help you go from writing generic lines to writing a cover letter that feels real. Something that has substance. Something that shows your potential without you having to exaggerate anything. In this video, you will understand the 3 golden rules that make a cover letter stand out. And more importantly, you will know how to use whatever you have done so far, even if it is small, to make your application stronger. Alright, now let's get into the part that actually builds your cover letter. These are the 3 golden rules that separate a normal letter from a strong evidence-based one. And to make this easy to understand, I'll keep referring to the sample cover letter we created earlier for a marketing role at Unstop, so you can see exactly how each rule looks when it is done right. Golden rule 1. Start with a hook that shows a real connection. Your first paragraph decides whether the recruiter will read the rest or not. Most students begin with, "My name is this," or "I am applying for that role." All of that is already on your resume and on your application form. The first paragraph should instead show that you understand the role and you have at least one real experience that connects to it. Look at the start of the sample letter. It begins with a simple, relatable line. Most people around me think marketing is only about posting content, but after running a small college project, I realized that good marketing is about understanding people. This works because it sounds human. It shows the student has tried something, and then it connects naturally to the company. That is exactly what made me excited about applying to Unstop, because your work is centered around helping students discover opportunities without confusion. There is no drama, no heavy language, just a clean connection built through experience. When you do this, the recruiter automatically wants to read the next paragraph. Golden rule 2. Focus only on the most relevant proof. Your second and third paragraphs are where most students mess up. They either list everything they have ever done, or they copy generic lines like, "I have strong leadership skills." The recruiter is not looking for poetry. They are looking for proof. In the sample letter, notice how every example supports a marketing role. I've taken part in 3 marketing challenges. My team's email concept ranked in the top 12%. I handled the social media page for my campus club and improved engagement. I wrote a landing page copy for a fest and analyzed what posts worked better. These are small tasks, but they are real. They show action, they show curiosity, and they show that the student has tried to understand how marketing works in the real world. Even if you have done only tiny tasks, include them. Tiny tasks are still evidence, and evidence is what gets you shortlisted. Golden rule 3. Keep it clean, clear, and easy to skim. The final rule is simple. Do not make your cover letter look like a paragraph from a textbook. Break it into small blocks. Each block should have one purpose: motivation, proof, extra experiences, closing message. In the sample letter, the structure is straightforward. Paragraph 1, connection and motivation. Paragraph 2, highest impact proof. Paragraph 3, smaller supporting experiences. Paragraph 4, a polite closing. This makes the recruiter's job easy. They can skim, they can understand, and they can decide quickly. A clean structure shows maturity and respect for the reader. If you follow these 3 rules, even with limited experience, your cover letter will feel strong and honest. And this is exactly what companies look for. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus for you. A lot of students struggle with writing cover letters because they don't know where to start. So on your screen right now, you'll see a prompt based on the RACE framework that you can use directly inside ChatGPT or Claude to generate a clean, structured and personalized cover letter. You can screenshot this prompt right now or just save this video so that you can come back to this exact section anytime. All you need to do later is paste your details into the prompt and the AI will automatically build a strong cover letter for you. Structured, quantified and aligned to the company you are applying to. This is the same method used by thousands of students who crack their internships and full-time roles. So make sure you save it. If this helped you understand cover letters better, stick around. We'll keep breaking down all the confusing parts of student life into simple, doable steps. Subscribe, drop your doubts in the comments, and let's keep building your career one smart move at a time.